clear, and that road work is going to be going on until 4 this morning. Remember, you can always reach us via the KCBS phone force number, 415-391-KCBS. That's 415-391-5227. You can also leave a message there as well. Your next update at 12:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Yeah, let's take a look at your 6-day forecast. It's definitely going to feel a little bit like fall this weekend. Heavy coastal bay fog this morning with lows in the upper 40s and 50s, partly to mostly sunny, but a lot cooler, especially inland. Highs from the 60s at the coast, 70s around the bay, to low 80s inland. And then increasing clouds and windy tomorrow with highs only in the 60s and the low to mid 70s. There's a chance of some sprinkles. Something's going to try and blow through. A low is going to come through. We'll see. And then a mix of sun and clouds Sunday through Wednesday, highs from the 60s to the mid 70s. It'll be windy with an elevated fire danger. There's a chance of showers on Tuesday and Wednesday. Slight chance of showers. Right now, it is clear in Livermore and 64. San Jose Airport 61 and clear, and it is partly cloudy at Oakland and 55 degrees. Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on KCBS. KCBS News Time, 12:50. Deborah Ingerson is at the editor's desk this morning. I'm Elisa Clancy. Palo Alto police are advising motorists to expect delays if they're traveling through the town on Saturday. There will be increased traffic in city streets due to Stanford University's homecoming football game. Game time is 1 o'clock Saturday afternoon as the Stanford Cardinal face the Arizona State Sun Devils. And if you have an electric car, you know how exciting it is when the new Chargers come to town. Well, as KCBS's Megan Goldsby reports, that could be the case if you live near a Taco Bell.
The first Taco Bell to unveil the new solar-powered high-speed chargers is here in South San Francisco on El Camino.
This is a really convenient spot to charge my car. It's parked right next to Taco Bell, so there are refreshments, and there is a bathroom.
Addison Ban is a Tesla owner who lives in San Francisco. He was also stationed at the new charging spot with ChargeNet, the company that has partnered with Taco Bell to open 100 of these charging lots at fast food restaurants across California. It will cost users about $20 to charge for 20 minutes, and that should give them around 100 miles worth of power.
Yeah, hopefully it is a trend. Since I am an EV vehicle owner, it would be really nice if a lot of chargers were just closer to just rest stops or just fast food places in general.
Starbucks and IKEA among the corporations announcing new charging stations as the chargers become more in demand each year. California has the highest percentage of registered EVs in the country. At Taco Bell in South San Francisco, Megan Goldsby, KCBS.
Wouldn't it be great if you could just renew your passport online? Well, as KCBS's Jim Taylor reports, now you can.
The internet is here to help.
So first of all, in order to use the service, you must be a U.S. citizen and hold a U.S. passport.
That's me. To begin, we create this MyTravelGov account. Welcome to MyTravelGov, the latest advancement in customer service at the Department of State.
This is the homepage for MyTravelGov. Click on the blue box to go to the sign-in page.
This part of the process is pretty easy. You know the drill, right?
Next, create a password. The password must be at least 12 characters long, contain at least one upper and one lowercase letter,
And
symbol.
processing times for the online renewal service about the same as those for renewal by mail. Turnaround times do tend to be 7 to 10 weeks, and an expedited passport could be in your hands in 4 to 6 weeks. Jim Taylor, KCBS.
And more than 60 years after Anna Mae Wong became the first Asian American woman to receive a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, the pioneering actor has coined another first, quite literally. Quarters bearing her face and manicured hand are set to start shipping on Monday. The U.S. Mint says Wong will be the first Asian American to grace U.S. currency. Wong was known for fighting against stereotypes foisted on her by a white Hollywood. She was one of 5 women being honored this year as part of the U.S. Mint's American Women Quarters program. Take a look at your money. This is a Bloomberg Money Minute. Most of the people now working at Twitter will be out of a job once Elon Musk buys the company, expected next week. The Washington Post reports Musk has told investors he plans to lay off nearly 3/4 of Twitter's workforce. Even if the deal falls through, the paper says Twitter's current management plans job cuts of nearly 25%. It could be a rough morning for social media stocks after Snap, the parent of Snapchat, reported the weakest ad sales growth in its history last quarter, even as daily active users increased more than expected. Snap, as well as other social media stocks, all were lower in extended trading. Texas is suing Google, accusing it of capturing users' biometric data without their permission. The suit accuses Google of collecting data, including voice prints and users' facial features, through products like Google Photos and Google Assistant. Larry Kofsky, Bloomberg Radio.
What's for dinner? Burgers?
After last week, no thanks.
Avoiding foods due to fear of diarrhea, gas, bloating, stomach pain, or loose oily stools? It may not be just stomach issues. It could be EPI, or exocrine pancreatic insufficiency. EPI can cause uncomfortable symptoms because it's a condition where the pancreas doesn't release enough digestive enzymes to break down food. But EPI can be managed. Use the symptom checker on identifyepi.com and talk to your doctor about your symptoms. That's identifyepi.com. Sponsored by AbbVie.
My doctor told me my blood pressure is borderline. I figured I could worry about it or do something about it. So I took control with Garlic Healthy Blood Pressure Formula. It works safely and naturally to help maintain healthy blood pressure with a custom blend of garlic, vitamins, and minerals. And it's odor-free. I'm taking charge with Garlic Healthy Blood Pressure Formula.
These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. The term natural references only the garlic in the product. Use as directed.
Besides sleeping, it's better for you. And European Sleepworks can get you through any challenge.
That was weird. First
they blend their
time ever.
meticulously chosen elements into a harmony of solutions. From their famous custom-fit oxygen pillows
First
to their
time
ingenious blended mattress
there was a
components,
train actually
they
went
somehow
by.
combine them into such a
I thought
comfortable
those tracks were abandoned.
music to the ears
Apparently
and
not.
bodies of
That
side
was
sleepers.
really
Come
weird.
try for yourself at European Sleepworks at Adeline and Ashby in Berkeley or online at sleepworks.com.
Beth Miller Rowe is the Bay Area's reverse mortgage specialist. With over 35 years' experience, Beth offers a variety of reverse mortgage programs such as FHA insured home equity conversion mortgage and even jumbo reverse mortgages. Whether you own your home outright or have a loan against it, a reverse mortgage may provide financial freedom to better enjoy your retirement years. Reverse mortgages have changed so much in the last 10 years. Now is the time to call Beth at the Reverse Mortgage Group at 925-969-0380. Beth is located here in the Bay Area, offering free consultations in a friendly, professional, no-pressure atmosphere. Call Beth at 925-969-0380 or go to callbeth.net. Borrower must pay property taxes, insurance, HOA dues, live in and maintain the home. NMLS 294774/1850/831612. Licensed under the Department of Business Oversight under CRMLA. Equal Housing Opportunity.
If you see a student being bullied, be supportive. Ask if they're okay and invite them to join you. You'll be an ally and you can make a friend. Friendship! Visit StopBullyingSpeakUp.com and join Cartoon Network to redraw your world without bullying.
Welcoming you back to appointment day at the Martinez house. Raul Martinez looking stressed about scheduling a colon cancer screening. He just pledged to get screened.
Stand Up to Cancer at Optum want to help you reduce your risk for cancer. Visit TakeAHealthyStand.org.
CBS News Time, 12:58. We're going to head to the roadways one more time this hour with Frank.
And we're going to look at really not much of anything in the way of problems, no accidents or stalls, quiet Friday morning in that respect. We are looking at some road work here and there on the Golden Gate Bridge, for example. It's southbound this morning. We have 3 lanes coned off from the top of the Waldo grade all the way down towards the South Tower. And we also have a heavy fog advisory as well. We also have road work going on in Marin County. This is on the Marin City off-ramp to the Richardson Bay Bridge on northbound 101. We have the 3 right lanes closed there until 8 this morning. Your next update of 108 on the traffic leader KCBS.
Well, it's eventually going to be sunny and cooler today after some heavy marine layer this morning, coast and bay. Highs from the 60s at the coast, 70s around the bay to the low 80s inland. Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on KCBS. It's Friday, October the 21st,